Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you a step-to-step tutorial on how you can creatively make money on Pinterest. But before we go then, I want to request you to, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and like this video and share with your friends. Those are willing to make money online. I create content about making money online, online jobs, online tricks, all those I teach them here. So today I'm going to show you a website that is willing to pay you just to post on Pinterest. I know many of you have a Pinterest account. For those who don't have a Pinterest account, this is going to be amazing. You can create a Pinterest account, which is very easy to create. Once you create that, now it's time to make money. It's very easy, very simple. Even a new beginner can start doing it. So straight away, once you have a Pinterest account, you go down to the description below. There will be a link there to join this website. This website is called gg.agency. This one is the biggest affiliate marketing website right now for every beginner. It's very simple. I'm going to take you through this website. It's very simple and very easy. If you can see, it's kind of complicated when you start seeing it at first, but it's very easy when you get used to it. So how am I going to make $1,400 per month with Pinterest? It's very easy. You just come and click after creating an account here, filling all the details and setting up your profile. You just come and click top offers. Once you click on top offers, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. And this page, it's quite very simple. As you can see here, we have this link to promote, this link to promote, and you are getting paid per every person who does an action in that link. You can see here it pays per CPA. CPA simply means it's cost per action. Cost per action. Imagine if a person clicks on that link, either signs up or does some activities with that link, you're getting paid. So it's very easy, very simple to do. So these are the top and the highest pay rate. You can see you can share this link. If any person clicks on it, you get $19. Imagine that's one person, and you can see how many people you can get in a day. But unfortunately, this one has a restriction. It is country-based affiliate marketing. So links from different countries, so you must target kind of that country in order to start earning money. So this link cannot pay you if you send it to US, and it will not pay you if you send it to another country. It's only eligible for Switzerland. Very easy and very simple. So you can get people from Switzerland clicking onto your link. So it's very simple. These one are the top pays. You can see you can get $19 per click, per action, 18, other 17, and there are other more, and mostly down here it is adult content, which pays a lot. But you can see here this is the mainstream, where you can get paid up to $5. That's 5. Another one 8, and others 14 per action. Any action that is done to that link and that's targeted country, you get paid. So you see there's a tough work that is to be done here, but it's very easy and simple. So you just get the link. You just, maybe if you want to make money with this, you just, like, let's say this one is for Switzerland, you get the link. After clicking get the link, it will open up this page where you're going to fill in the details or look on the details on what they want. Very simple. And then you click here, get link. You copy that link. Once you copy it, you go to Pinterest. Pinterest, there are many tricks to get traffic to that link. You just maybe the first trick is just to go and get a gift card pictures. Gift card pictures, you can see like this one is a gift card picture, but it has a website here where it will tell people to go to a certain website in order to get some money or some gift card. Okay, so you can just create a pin, very simple and very easy. After you create a pin, let's use the same picture. After downloading the picture, you just put it here and then you add your link here. So it will be very easy and very simple. You put your link here. This is not that link. You go and get that link and then you put it here. This is the link. Once you copy this, you go and put it at your Pinterest with the pin here in link, and then you can fill in the description here. So once a person clicks on that link, it may be eye-catching, and then you'll go to that website and get do some action, either sign up or do anything, and then you will start earning. Another way to earn is that once you find an offer, you go and maybe take pictures or find pictures on related offers. Like if this one is for movies, you go and create you get a picture for movies or games. Mostly here it's games that have a high volume for mainstream, so or adult content. Once you get this, you can share all these links even on Facebook, Twitter, other social media accounts. Very easy and very simple. So once you post that pin, and then you start searching for targeted countries, which I'll show you in my next video on how to get views from targeted countries, and it will be very simple. And the other video, I'll put it in another video because it's going to be much longer in order to get a targeted country and finding people to click on that link. It's quite long. So but in this video, I all wanted you to learn that from Pinterest you can get traffic. Okay, you can go for offers that are worldwide, and you can get any traffic that clicks your link on Pinterest is directed to that website, and then you get paid here, and then you get to withdraw when you reach the minimum cash out. So it's kind of very easy, very simple. And if you have any questions, you can just put them in the comments below. I'll be able to answer them. Yeah, many people have been doing this, and I've been making more than 1,000 US dollars per month. And if many people continue clicking on a link, you continue earning more. So you see, it's kind of it does not limit you on how much you can earn from that one link. So this is the smart affiliate marketing. For those who are willing to join or who are willing to be given some more information about this, just comment below and I'll give you more information about these websites and affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching.